Hi, my name is Victoria Steffens, and I will be singing So in Love from Kiss Me Kate, and then doing a monologue from the marvelous Mrs. Maisel. In love with the night mysterious, the night when you first were there. In love with my joy delirious, when I knew that you could care. So taunt me and hurt me, deceive me, desert me. I'm yours till I die. So in love, so in love, so in love with you, my love. Am I handle it all very calmly. I handle things very calmly. I don't get mad. I can't get mad because whenever you're really tall, you can't get mad. You can't pace around and raise your voice and wave your arms because people get scared. See, look, that's what people look like whenever you're really tall and really mad, because I look like an angry building. So I stay calm all the time. And you broke my heart, so now you feel like a louse. Well, deal with it. I'm done. Thank you.